I'm so out of breath. Pregnancy. It's crazy. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle. It's been a really long time. I honestly, every single week, I'm like, I'm going to record today. I'm going to record. And then I start a vlog or a video and then I end up not recording it or not posting it because I am just constantly sick and constantly like exhausted. It's crazy. But like right now, I'm so out of breath just by talking. So bear with me. I'm going to try to get through this, but I got a package in from Blue Sky and I am so excited to share it with you guys because they always have the most beautiful products. And obviously I want y'all to see all the goodies. I did like open the little tape here at the bottom. I actually had my husband do it for me before he brought it upstairs because this thing is like 7 pounds. I think it's what I read. Yeah, 7 pounds. That's crazy. So we got a little card from Blue Sky, and of course you can find them at Blue Sky Planners. You can find them at Staples, and they're beautiful planners, honestly. So definitely shop them. And oh my gosh, look at the back. That's gonna be so cute on my junk journal, which I may actually play with today. So maybe, just maybe we'll record 2 videos. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive in. And I gotta say, they always do such a good job with their packaging. Like, look how beautiful this is. Okay, let me focus. Also, I need to catch my breath again. There's gonna be a lot of cut clips, I can tell. OMG. Look how beautiful. It's like fruits. Oh, stop. Okay, I'm gonna scoot this over just a tad so I can like take these out and look at them. What is this? Ooh, these are little notebooks. Let me grab my X-Acto knife. Sorry if you heard my chair squeak, but you know, reality. Ooh, I almost hurt myself. I don't want to ruin it. Ooh, it's a 3-pack of journals. Ooh, these feel nice. Oh, these feel really nice. Should I have taken them out of the packaging? I don't know, but honestly, I'm gonna end up using them because I love these types of journals. Now that I have like my Louise Carmen and my Paper Republic, I've been using a lot of these because they're easy to like throw in there and like use the like the traveler's notebook style. And these are gorgeous. Like how pretty. Like these fruits, these are strawberries. Oh, with the little bumblebees. Let's take a look at the, oh, and they're like dotted line, right? I mean, they're lined regardless, but it's like really like small little dots. Can you see that? They're really pretty. And I like that the paper isn't like stark white. You know what I mean? And these are what, lemons? Cute. I gotta say, I gotta actually defend myself right now because the reason I was like, these are what, lemons? Because in Spanish, you call lemons and limes limones, which is what you would call in English a lime. So I always have a hard time remembering, is it a lime or a lemon? But I know this is a lemon because they're yellow. But the same, just lined, and it's so cute. I love the color green. Like, it looks so pretty. I love how it has like that vintage feel and the vintage look. Like, they're not like bright colors. And these are pomegranates. And I think these are limes too, right? Yeah, I don't know. I think so. And then grapes back here. How cute. I love these. I can't wait to use these in my little portfolio journals, my traveler's notebook style journals. Anyways, let's move on. This is a content notebook and it has a section. Let me make sure it's in frame. But it's a content notebook and it has sections for topics, questions, ideas, action steps, and notes. Includes a pocket, stickers, perforated pages for filing, and paper printed with soy-based ink. Wow. So here is the, I assume the little folder. Yep, here's the folder. This is pretty. It's like, it's like glossy. And these are the stickers. You have like icons. These are the notes section. This is completely different. I've only had their planners. I've only had like normal planners. So this is really different, but it's undated. So you can select your day of the week, put in your date, your topic. So kind of like content planning. Of course, I mean, that's kind of what it is, right? Literally, it's a content notebook. So it's not necessarily a planner, but it's definitely would work for like brainstorming ideas. So questions, ideas, action, which is really nice because sometimes like you come up with these like great ideas and then you don't have an action plan and it's just like repeated. Yeah, wow, I can't wait to use this. I'm really excited about this. Like I've seen other companies do something similar to this, but I feel like they added a lot of stuff that was unnecessary. And I feel like this is very much like to the point. It gives you a lot of space for notes. And two, it's not like overly huge. Because sometimes I feel like there's planners or notebooks out there that are like, oh, for content, or like a, what is it called? Like a dedicated notebook for, let's say, reading or something. And it's like this huge notebook and you have all this like unused space that you end up like adding a sticker here and there, which is great. But then it's like, do we really need all this space? You know what I mean? I feel like this is perfect and to the point. So definitely a great journal to have. Now changing it up. We have washies. So this is like to do in different colors. So you have the green. This is like kind of like a beige. And I would assume maybe it alternates. And these are, I think these are oranges. Or are these supposed to be limes? I don't know. Reminders, days of the week. And these are months. Cute. These are really pretty. Multi-purpose. Love. And then we have here letterpress sticky note portfolios. Ooh, these are beautiful. Wow, these are really pretty. Wow, these are gorgeous. I don't want to remove this because I want to like save them for when I need them. Because like, okay, I have this like little like box filled with all of my sticky notes, and then as I need them, because I use them a lot for work, as I need them I start like taking one out or a different one. I kind of pick and choose which ones I want to use, and this is definitely something that's going to be useful for work. And if you have like a desk job, or I mean even like a teacher, like this would be really handy for a teacher too. So love, this is so cute. I need to take a break. Oh my God. Okay, let's go through more of the notebooks. So we have here just a notebook. So it has 150 pages. Look at the inside. I almost wish this was on the outside. Like this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgina. All of it. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Notebook belongs to, if found contact. And it's just dotted, or not dotted, lined. So pretty. And I love that. I honestly love a good book bound. Because like sometimes you just want that like comfortability of like if you work in an office setting, or if you go to school, or you need to take notes for something, like you just sometimes want something like this, especially if you like journal, let's say like outdoors, like out at the park or at a coffee shop. Like sometimes you don't want like a flimsy notebook and you want something that's a little bit more secure, and I feel like this is like secure, if that makes any sense. Oh, another content notebook, and this one's bigger, but it's not like overly big. Shut up. Is this like an A5? I think this is an A5 size. I think this one's A5, and I think this one's like A5 slim. Or no, it's a little bit smaller. It may be like what is it called? Is it an A6? I think it's like, I don't know. I don't know the size. But this one's really pretty. I love how neutral it is. So the same thing. Yeah, okay. The same thing. How pretty. I love this. I'm actually going to really make use of this. So I really cannot wait. This is going to be great for YouTube because I feel, I did kind of share that when I was talking about this other notebook. I always feel like I have ideas and then I never execute them. And I feel like it would be great to have a specific space where I can just actually jot down ideas and then write down like how it has here, like literally action plan, ideas, action plans, questions that I may have even for myself, or like research or whatever the case may be, or how to like edit it, or how I want to record it, what type of style of video I want it to be. Like, do you know what I mean? Like there's just a lot involved when it comes to content creation, and I feel like something like this in a dedicated space makes sense having, especially if you're pursuing content. I feel like this is like a great tool to have. And then we have here a notebook. This is so cute. That's one thing I have always loved about Blue Sky, is that their items are just so aesthetic. Like they're just so pretty. Oh, look at the inside. And it's just lined. How stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Like perfect even for school. Like, because this is like, and the pages are perforated. How do you say that word? Perforated. So you can tear it out, turn in a page. I don't know, if your friend forgot their notebook, you can share and they'd have a paper to write in. Okay, let's look at these. So these are magnetic bookmarks, which I love. Bookmarks, let me show you. This is one that I've been using like nonstop. This is a Harry Potter one. So I love these style of bookmarks where they're just like magnetic. So these are definitely going to come in use. And I love these colors. I especially love this one, the strawberries. So cute. And here is a checklist, goals, and notes. Okay, that's cute for like work. I gotta say, I have been diagnosed with ADHD. I stopped taking my medication by like doctor's instructions and like by their care. I stopped taking medication about like maybe like a year and a half ago. And obviously now that I'm pregnant, I'm not taking ADHD medication or any of my medication, as a matter of fact. So, and I've been okay, but I do have to admit, when it comes to work, it is so hard, so difficult to stay focused and on task. And I feel like this would be perfect for like work, like writing down the things that I need to do, like any goals that I have for the day, and just any additional notes. And it even has a little checklist. Like, that's so cute. Like, yes, love. Are these stickers? Stop. I need to look at them. I love me a good sticker. And I must look. Sticker book. Ooh, these are pretty. Okay, so they're repeated. So you get 3 pages. It looks like you get 3 pages of each, yeah. And then you have some icons, 3 pages. Or I like these coffee cups. Cute. And that's it. Okay, cute. I love it. I love that it's like, you know, like very, not basic, but it's very useful, like essential little stickers that you could use in your planners. And what's always really nice about having the stickers that go with the collection is that they're always going to go with your journals and your planners. So I don't know, I love that. And here is a meeting agenda notebook. Sections for topics, agenda, attendees, action steps. Wait, okay. So with work, as of lately, I'm being trained to take on more responsibilities. And I feel like with my ADHD brain and also pregnancy brain, I've been struggling a little bit. And I feel like this would be useful for that. I feel like a lot of these things, like, I'm going to have a use for. So I'm really excited. So agenda, attendees, which for, well, no, not necessarily. I was going to say usually it's the same people for like my team, but no, we usually have meetings with like other people. So I can even like add them. I can add more space or just kind of create additional notes in action. So any additional things that need to be done. Like there's times where you have a meeting and it's like, oh, like make sure to send an email to so-and-so and make sure to follow up on this thing and whatever. So I think it'd be great to have like a dedicated section where I can keep those notes and make sure to follow through on everything. So I love this. This is cute. Oh my gosh. I feel like everything for the first time ever, I'm like, oh, I can use this for that and that and that. I also feel like I haven't purchased a lot of planners and journals as of lately. But yeah. Okay, this is a weekly agenda. Cute. I do have a planner, so I usually write my stuff in my planners, but this is good for just keeping on your desk for like quick stuff. Also too, in my like personal planner, I try not to write a lot of my work stuff because I do like share my stuff on social media that I am always so afraid that I'm gonna show something that I shouldn't be showing. So I do feel like sometimes I need to have a planner for work and a planner for personal, like just something that I know that I can share on social media. So this is like something that I could use for that. I think it's worth a try, especially if it's because I can just remove the page if for whatever reason it doesn't work for me, and I can give it to like a friend or my mother-in-law or somebody that I know would make use of that. That's one thing about me, is that I don't like to waste any product. And ooh, let me move this because this box is huge. So a weekly planning pad. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. So you got weekly spread. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wait, I like that the weekend is combined. So Saturday and Sunday don't have their own day, but it's the weekend, so it's combined, which is honestly useful because I work Monday through Friday. Like I could see it if you worked on the weekend. That may be a little bit troublesome because you would have only a limited amount of space for both days. But for me, that would work. Goals, notes, and tracker, which as of lately, I gotta call myself out. I've been so bad at taking my prenatals. Mainly, I gotta say, to my defense, I've been so nauseous and so sick that sometimes I don't want to like take them right away. And then before I know it, the day's over and I'm like, shoot, I forgot. And then I obviously make sure to take them right away as soon as I remember, but it's just been so hard, and it would be nice to have obviously a tracker. So you have this, and there's plenty of pages. The back's like hard, like a hardcover, so of course it's gonna be very sturdy for you. Yeah, I'm excited. Are these perforated? No, I don't think so. Nope, they're not, but obviously I don't think you need that. But this is really pretty and I love the cover. But anyways, I think that is everything. I love all of the items that I got. I think these are very fun and exciting. There's like so many things that I know that I'm gonna make use of. And if for whatever reason, like I can't or I just don't see myself using it, I always do my best to find someone that is able to make use of these items. So thank you so much to Blue Sky, and also thank you guys for watching my videos. I know I've been very like inconsistent because of my current pregnancy in my current state, but you know, I'm trying so hard. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all being here, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. And don't forget to check out Blue Sky at Blue Sky Planners on Instagram, and I will see y'all again very soon. Bye.